Hello aspirants, welcome to INCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the amazing facts about the Bihar state, extensive coverage of physical characteristics, natural vegetation, regional festival, art forms, industry, major rivers, minerals, agriculture, geographical indicators, historical sites, heritage sites, national park, biosphere reserves, wildlife sanctuary. Bihar is a state in eastern India for the rich historical legacy and cultural significance. It shares a border with Nepal to the north, and also it is Uttar Pradesh to the west, West Bengal to the east, and also Jharkhand to the south. The Ganges River that flows through the state, dividing into north to south Bihar. Capital administration of Bihar. The capital is Patna. Important cities which is located in the Bihar was Gaya, Muzaffarpur, Bhagalpur, Aurangabad, Buxar, Champaran East and West. The date of formation of Bihar is on 1st April 1936. The Bihar Bengal is a part of Bengal Presidency of British India under 1912, when the province of Bihar and Orissa was carved out as a separate province under the Government of India Act 1935. There is a division of Orissa that became a separate province on November 15, 2000. Southern Bihar was ceded to form a new state to Jharkhand. Actually, the Bihar consists of 38 districts. The main language speaking in Bihar was Hindi. There is a many major known for the birthplace of Buddhism and also Jainism. The capital state of Mauryan dynasty, that is Mahad. An Indian state with the least literacy rate is Bihar. Still, Bihar has the bicameral legislature. Almost 58% of the people in Bihar are below the age of 25. So, giving Bihar the highest proportion of the young people of any Indian state. There is a physical characteristics. The Bihar plain is divided into two unequal halves by the river of Ganga that flows through the middle from west to east. Natural vegetation for the Bihar, that is a tropical moist deciduous forest and tropical dry deciduous forest is present, and also sun tropical and temperate forest is also present in the Bihar. There is a major rivers in Bihar was Ganga, that is flowing from the Gangotri glacier to the Bay of Bengal. That Kosi is also important river that is flowing from the Tribanigat, that is a Nepal to the Ganga, that is a Kurusela, Bihar. The Kandak, that is a flowing from the Nubian glacier, Nepal to the Ganga, that is a sun originated near Amarkantak in Madhya Pradesh and joins in the Ganga near the Patna region. There is a many important festival, that is a Chahat, Navratri, Tej, Bihula and Vikram Shila. These are the major festival which is celebrated in the Bihar. The major art forms of Bihar was Saraikela Chaho, Madhubani painting, that is a famous painting in Bihar and is a Patna school of painting, Patna column, Jumanak. These are the major art forms of Bihar. There is many industries present in the Bihar, mainly cotton spinning mills, leather industries, sugar mills, because of sugar cane protection, jute mills. Main minerals present in the Bihar. Main minerals rich in Bihar was fuller's earth, limestone, kaolin, limestone, limonite, mica. These are the major minerals present in the Bihar. The major cultivation was rice, wheat, onion, pulses, tobacco, oil seeds, potatoes, maize, chilies, jute. These are the major agricultural product which is favorable for this soil condition. The geographical indication, mainly Bihar has a Madhubani painting, the rich colors, the diversified portraits. So the Madhubani painting is very much famous. So this is a major geographical indication of Bihar. And Sujini embroidery work, the embroidery work which is very much famous in Bihar. Katwa and also the Bhagalpur silks. It is very much famous. These are the major geographical indication of Bihar. Main historical site considered as a Bodh Gaya, that is a cave in the Kaimur range, that is very much important in this very much important heritage sites. Lauria Nandan Gar in the district of West Champaran, that is also very much important historical site. Caves in the Kaimur range. Vaishali. Major key points about, that is the state bird of Bihar was sparrow, state animal gar, state tree was people, the state flower was marigold. There's a bat sanctuary called Kanwar Lake. Bihar consists of the Valmiki National Park, and it's having the wildlife sanctuary Bimbat, Kaimu, Nakti Dam, Gautam Buddha, Kusheshwar Asthan, Vikramshila Gangetic, Kamlang Wildlife Sanctuary, Kanwar Jail Wildlife Sanctuary, Dolphin Wildlife Sanctuary, Nagi Dam Wildlife Sanctuaries. And it's having the tiger reserves. Valmiki Tiger Reserve is a famous tiger reserve in Bihar. So Bihar is a historical significance. It has a cradle of ancient civilization and also the religion. The climate of this Bihar was encompasses the area approximately 98,940 square kilometer. The tourist attractions place was Bodh Gaya, the UNESCO Heritage World Sites, and Nalanda, the ancient center of the learning, that housing and ruins and Nanda University, and Rajgir, the historic city of connection with the Buddhism and also Jainism. Vaishali, the ancient city significant in Jain and Buddhist tradition. Patna, the state capital featuring the historical state and also the museum. So Bihar is a rich cultural heritage and historical landmarks and also religious significance make it a unique, noteworthy state in India. Thank you so much.